I am Master Sergeant Wilson from the Personal Property Activity Headquarters, and our training part today is Personal Procured Move Closeout. The purpose of this training is to provide step-by-step instructions on how to close out a personally procured move using the Defense Personal Property System, DPS. Let's go over the steps for closing out PPM process. Step 1. Log into DPS with your inbound user role, then click the Shipment Management tab. Step 2. Click the plus icon next to Search/Reports. Step 3. Click Find Shipment/Customer. Step 4. Enter member social security number and click Search. Step 5. Your search results will display every shipment created in DPS for that social security number, except those still in an in-counseling status. Step 6. Click View/Edit for the PPM needing to be closed out. Step 7. The View/Edit Shipment Information screen appears. Review the shipment for accuracy as you scroll to the bottom. Step 8. Pay particular attention to the line of accounting information. If the SAC is missing, you need to add the LOA. Step 9. SAC is missing, click Edit LOA. Step 10. Re-enter the SDN. Step 11. Re-enter the AIN. Step 12. Re-enter the TAC if applicable. Step 13. Enter the long line of accounting from the orders in the shipment, accounting classification field. Warning, replace the asterisk with a Y. Step 15, continue to scroll to the bottom. Step 16, click View/Edit PPM Closeout. Step 17, verify the type of PPM is accurate. Warning, if the PPM type is PPM Shipment Closeout, actual cost reimbursement, no government trans available, you need to cancel the PPM and recreate the shipment, unless AF/A4LE has approved a non-availability of government transportation. Step 18. Click the calendar icon to enter the actual pickup date, first weight ticket date. Step 19. Enter the gross and tear weights by utilizing page 3 calculator of the Air Force PPM procedures checklist. Step 20. Validate the AOA adjust if necessary. If the member received an AOA equal to the constructed expenses, the member will need to provide a copy of the voucher. Enter the voucher amount. Step 21. If there are authorized/approved accessorial charges, enter their cost. DPS adds this amount to the GCC if applicable. Note, you will not see this block for an incentive-based PPM. Step 22. Enter the total cost of the shipment to include the accessorial costs, if applicable. Note, you will not see this block for an incentive-based PPM. Step 23. Click Submit. Step 24. Gross incentive is 0. There is no incentive on an ACR PPM. If this was an incentive-based PPM, the amount would be 95% of the GCC. Step 25. GCC $586.96 based on GCC factors shown on the next page. Step 26. Advanced Operating Allowance, AOA, $0. It was changed to 0 because the member decided not to take the AOA. Step 27. Accessorial costs, $234. Members authorized accessorial charges totaled this amount. Step 28. Shipment costs, $745. Members' total costs, including the expense for accessorial charges, totaled this amount. Step 29. Remaining reimbursement owed to customer, $745. Amount the members owe based on the information provided in the GCC. GCC plus accessorial costs, $820.96. This is the max amount the member can be reimbursed. Step 30. These figures are based on the planned move start date and the date the PPM was submitted by the counselor. For after the fact or recreated records, these figures are based on the planned move start date. Step 31. Verify that there is an amount for full pack/unpack charge. If $0 is displayed, the PPM will need to be canceled and recreated. Step 32. Click Closeout PPM Shipment. Step 33. Click Print DD Form 2278. Facts. Some origin counselors are not clicking Yes for paying officer review to add required remarks. Some examples of PPMs that require paying officer review are: if the member is joint spouse and performing a combined move, if the member is performing more than one shipment regardless of type, if the member is shipping from/to an other than authorized location, and/or if the member will possibly exceed their weight allowance, counselors can add additional remarks to a PPM record and awaiting closeout status for the above situations, as well as other needed remarks, e.g. member's property was stolen. Simply log into DPS using your inbound user ID and search for the PPM. Then proceed to the next slide. Adding additional remarks. Step 1. In the View/Edit Shipment Information screen. Step 2. Scroll to the bottom. Step 3. Click Additional Remarks. Step 4. Click Add Remark. Step 5. Type your remarks. Step 6. Click OK. Step 7. The remark is displayed and timestamped with your DPS user ID. Step 8. Click Back. Step 9. The remark is displayed on the View/Edit Shipment screen. This concludes our training part. We hope you find these step-by-step instructions on how to close out a personally procured move using DPS helpful. Thank you.